Good morning. Welcome to Trading Hour. I'm Reema Tendulkar. With me is Sumera Abdi, and Pavitra Parekh is back from her fantastic holiday. How was it?
It was lovely, and it's good to be back, but it seems like there's been a lot going on here as well. We saw a big dip come through, but things are looking back up again now.
Indeed, looking up. So right now as we speak, the benchmark indices are up close to about 3/4 of a percentage point. The mid-cap outperformance extended itself. The mid-cap index is up 1.3% for the week so far. It's seen a rally of close to about 2.6%. A lot of business updates have been coming through, which gives you a sneak preview into what's likely to come out. From the banking side, the numbers are looking very good, whether it was M&M Financial or today AU Small Finance Bank. So banks have been outperforming. The Nifty banking index is up 2% for this week. But on the flip side, after Marico's miss that came through on Tuesday, even Godrej Consumer is talking about a hit on its EBITDA on account of inflation. So GCPL is a big drag today. And the Nifty FMCG index for this week is actually down close to about 0.2%, which compares with a rally of 1.5% on the benchmark indices. So the Nifty FMCG index has been a bit of a drag. It's been a big outperformer. There was a lot of money flowing into FMCG, but that seems to have paused after the subdued business updates coming through from Marico first and then GCPL. All that and more lined up in the next 1 hour. But what about stocks?
In terms of stocks, it's really the metals pack which is shining today, right? So some of the bigger names will be up on your screen. So take a look at that. In fact, the Nifty metal index in itself is up around 2.6%. These are some of the big gainers. In addition to metal, some of the real estate stocks are doing very well. So something like a DLF, you have India Bulls Real Estate, Sobha. I'm just naming a few of them, but pretty much that entire space is buzzing around. By the way, IT is also holding up quite well today. So, I mean, of course, this is after the big kind of underperformance that we've seen. But today, those stocks are holding up. All of the IT earnings start next week. So this space will be very important to track. In terms of cues, of course, the earnings season is next week. We're watching what's going on with the crude prices very closely, and the US non-farm payroll data, which we track, also is due to tomorrow. So we have a lot to track, Samara, today as well as tomorrow.
Hi, ladies. Morning. So let's get started with all that we have lined up on the show today. The Nifty and Sensex edge higher after a strong start despite a mixed global handover. Mid-caps are shining in trade. Metals, realty and IT charge ahead while FMCG slips. We'll talk about the outlook for the markets with Nilesh Shetty of Quantum Advisors.
Also in focus, the tech talent exodus. We will be joined by Sunil C. of Team Lease Digital to discuss the company's latest report, Brain Drain, tackling the great talent exodus.
North America Class 8 trucks orders hit a record high of over 56,000 units. We'll be joined by the management of Ramkrishna Forgings to talk about what this means and the larger trends.
And Godrej Consumer Products and Persistent Systems are both buzzing around on the back of some news flow. So we'll get you all of the details on that in just a bit. So all of this and lots more coming up for you over the next 60 minutes.
Okay, but let's straight away